Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, me a lick a shot for Duppy Film. One more. Yeah. No, I said I wasn't gonna do anything on this dude. But here we go again. This dude is the prince of broke badness and the prince of chaos. I have been going through the different stuff about him. And my biggest thing is, where is the money? He was going to Haiti. He was doing the gun trade. They said he's wanted in Haiti. He killed 2 police officers. He killed a police commissioner nephew. The parish manager of St. Anne's or one of those parish. He was selling guns, doing murders, and when he get killed, the news report came out, his family don't have any money to bury him. And then, all the family members are saying they're scared of the police. I guess y'all saw the report. But the biggest thing is their complacency. They said he's a nice guy. He don't hurt anybody. He don't do this. He don't do that. What is wrong with these people? You have a guy like this. Couldn't his grandmother, I see his grandmother in one of these pictures on a wheelchair. Couldn't she talk to him and say, at least, son, put up some money? That lady in the pink, in the pink dress with the pink hair, who was screaming, oh, them kill him. Couldn't you talk to him before he was dead? And tell him, listen, put away some money, help your family. Yo, his family live on a plot of land right there in St. Thomas, on a pier boathouse upon it. What is wrong with these guys? You understand? At least do those. And them on there have certain things on. You understand? But this guy is just so pathetic. So, while I was doing the thing on the other guy here, Black Man them, I said I wasn't going to do anything on this guy, but his name and face just keeps on popping up in my head. And because of that, I am driven to talk about this dude. So, his father, nobody knows why he was driven to do what he did. They say he's a good young man that don't start trouble. He has a speech impediment. So why he became the most notorious guy in Jamaica? And why there is no money to bury him? Yo, they barely bury him. They had to, I guess y'all saw the picture, they had to crawl through I don't even know what the hell that is. That looks like a jungle. I didn't even know you have those kind of places exist in Jamaica. And them crawl over some rock. Them go underneath one bush, jump over the river, and then them reach one church. You understand? That is crazy. And then the family, they're complacent because it seems like they want to blame the police and blame people in the neighborhood. They said, oh, the neighbors, them, are giving a problem, and this and that. How much people are you to slap with? How much people cry? Really and truly, certain things I want to say, I can't even say it. Because I don't have a problem with that video. You understand? But it's a shame. Really and truly, I would like some kind of study done on these guys. The ones who are living, we get some psychiatric, some psychologists to go in there and do a forensic probe of their minds and their mindset and see what they're suffering from. I know everybody in Jamaica is suffering from neurosis. You understand? Look up what is the meaning of neurosis. Some people suffer from it more, and the ones who suffer more go over the edge. But with neurosis, you're always tinkering on the border of whatever. So, reading and going through this guy is the prince of broke and hungry badness. I didn't want to do it, but I have to. His funeral was terrible. It seemed like them dropped him down in a damn bottomless pit. But I held him up anyway, so you understand. The way the family came out, all they were concerned about, no money to bury him, and they were concerned about the police. What about the victims? Did they ever once send a condolence to the victims of the shit he did? No. But to not beg money for bury him and enough people in Slapware. Yo, this guy he's the crown prince. Really, he should be the king, but we're going to give him the prince. The prince of hungry and broke badness, or broke and hungry badness. And the family then is no better. You understand? Yeah, it's a shame. You think me could I have my family out there do certain things and them not have money put on to bury themselves, dog, or bury somebody? That means them not make the money. I just chaos them I create. Yeah, the prince of broke and hungry badness and the prince of chaos. It's crazy. When you look at the amount of murders and slapper artists or whatever that comes out of Jamaica, it makes your head spin. Yo, my name is COUNTRYMAN, dog. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the notification button. Share these videos. Check out the WhatsApp group. You understand? Now, silent, big up yourself. Country boss, big up yourself. And nuclear Rastaman, big up yourself. Alright. Peace out.